Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I am in love with this car, 1955 Crown Victoria Skyliner. It has the clear see-through roof. The car is beautiful, just its design, the colors. This one's got a lot of nice upgrades. The last owner put air conditioning, power four-wheel disc brakes, a stereo system, seat belts, so this thing is ready to drive. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the information, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars and they're all for sale, so visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now it is my pleasure to take you for a spin in a 55 Skyliner. Just let me get out of the way for a second. You can admire this beautiful car. The body and paint and trim is exceptional, just better than most. Really nice car. But I typically start underneath. We have pictures on our website, completely rock solid, all clean, the floors, the whole chassis, I should say, the frame, the suspension, it's all smooth metal, and it's all got a nice semi-gloss black finish. The floors have undercoat, and it was clean and painted like a semi-gloss black over that, so nice and clean and tidy under there. The front end has some miscellaneous new components. I can see a few new bushings. It looks like the shocks front and back are new. When you look up at the motor and the transmission, they are clean. It is the original motor. It's dated. I checked the casting number. It's a Y block 272 motor for a 55. The Ford-O-Matic transmission still has the oval Ford tag riveted to the side of it. The original rear end still has its tag. It's a 330 ratio in the back. They did upgrade it with a Willwood disc brake system, discs at all four corners. The back ones are drilled and slotted, the rotors. It looks like the emergency brake cable system is hooked up as well. And it has a real nice sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system. You'll hear that in a little bit. So yeah, just very clean underneath the car. The body seems to be really nice. Look down the side of that with me there. It's just straight. Everywhere you look across the hood, I don't see any damage, no bubbles. I didn't see any cracking. I didn't see any dents. Everything fits nice. Look at how square all the gaps are. Nice, smooth, no bubbles. The two-tone paint is gorgeous. It's polished. It's shiny. Exceptional paint job. Now, I'm not saying that maybe there's not a something minor, tiny that I missed, but I'm telling you, you stand next to it, it's like, wow. And you know what really brings it to the next level is all this trim. People paint cars, and a lot of times they leave the trim alone, or it's good enough. The trim on this car is over the top. Since we're back here, we'll start back here. The bumpers, bumper guards, the tail lights, has optional reverse lights, this chrome here, the chrome around the Continental kit, all that looks new. Has the dual antennas with the little red plastic here, they look new. All these stainless moldings, look at this, the stainless is buffed like chrome. It's not dull, it's not dinged up, the little black inserts is repainted, so all this stuff is restored and it's just gleaming. Dual mirrors, all this, the emblems, this is not dented up, it's not scuffed, it's beautiful. The door handles sparkle. Same thing up here, the hood ornament, the emblem, all the chrome, even the grille itself. Right here, the lenses, the eyebrows, it all looks new. Beautiful. The glass in the car is a nice soft tinted glass. I really like it. The side windows look like they're new. They're crystal clear. The windshield, I'd almost say it was brand new, but if you look closely, there's little tiny speckles in that little nick, so I can't say new, but all the glass is crystal clear. You know, what's really cool is this acrylic see-through top is brand new. We've had a few of these over the years, and it's plastic. It gets crackly. When you're sitting in the car and you look up, it's like you're outside. It's just different than any one I've been in. It's just crystal clear. It's cold outside. My wife likes looking at the stars. I even thought we could go outside and stay warm. We could just look up through the roof in this and look at the stars. It's that clear. It has fender skirts, obviously Continental kit. So it's decked out. It has 16-inch polished wheels on there, aluminum wheels. The interior is also all redone. The chrome. Yes, you can reupholster seats, and yes, you can buy new door panels, which this has, and new carpet. But the interior chrome, when you're sitting in this car, all the chrome is beautiful. Just like it has this here, it's got the same thing on the inside, all around the windows. The guy must have been a chrome fanatic, because inside the car, the handles, the cranks, the horn ring, the bezels on the dash, it all sparkles. Door jambs are nice, sill plates are shiny, weather strips have all been replaced. It looks like all the rubber gaskets have been replaced as well. I said there was no bubbling. There is some little blisters right here. It's metal, so it's not rusted, or I don't know why it's blistered right there. You'd have to look for it. You'd have to have an eye to even see it. So this is very nice and clean. The firewall under the hood, all the metal is nice, smooth, painted nicely. It's a 272 motor, runs smooth. It has a new heat and air conditioning system. It's a big upgrade. I think these were 6-volt cars back then. This one has a 12-volt battery in it. Upgraded power brake system with the dual reservoir master cylinder, which is safer. It has the factory power steering. Has an upgraded aluminum radiator with the stock engine fan and an electric fan in front. So while the motor's keeping you cool, the air conditioning's keeping you cool, that radiator's keeping the motor cool. Continental kit swings out of the way. There's your fuel filler. And the trunk is really nice. Nicely painted. Nice weather strip. It's carpeted, it has bound edges. Someone took the time to have this carpet made. They made a cover over the tire. I pulled the cover off. The tire still has nubs on the tread, and it's a chrome baby moon wheel. And it looks like the jack assembly is complete. The seat back divider looks new. It's got new 6x9 speakers. The radio in this car in 55 was round. They actually found a round stereo to fit in that hole. So you have a stereo system, new heat and air, seat belts in front. The instruments, the clear lens looks new, the gauges are new looking, so it's really, really nice inside the car as well. Let me fire it up for you. I drove this car home and it drove very nicely. I was very happy with it. And the more I'm looking at it, the happier I'm getting. These old Fords, you got to put neutral to start. I want to point out something else. I'm always learning. I was sitting on the other side. There's a light underneath here. I'm like, where's that light coming from? Because there's no light inside the car. It's in the door jamb. When you open it up, it lights this up. I bet I've never seen one that works before, because all my years being around these cars, I never knew they had those. Probably because they've never had one that worked, so I never noticed it. Something minor, but I thought it was cool. The owner's manual's in the glove box. Now, I spoke pretty highly of this car. It doesn't mean I'm saying it's perfect and there's not a flaw anywhere, but I am saying it is exceptional. It's better than most you will find. I got it down south in Alabama, and actually that gentleman bought it out on the West Coast. He bought it all restored, and then he added the air conditioning, the power brakes, the stereo, the wheels. All that stuff's been done recently. Beautiful factory red and white Skyline Crown Victoria with nice features. The restoration would cost you more than what we're asking for the car. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. I just gave you my impression of the car. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They can also make the paperwork, the financing, the transportation real easy for you. So visit volocars.com if you're interested in the car. You just like watching the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.